Completely false. Yang po ang giniit ng dating hepe ng AFP Western Command sa alegasyong pumayag siya sa isang new model kaugnay ng West Philippine Sea nang mag-usap sila ng isang Chinese diplomat. Ang umunoy recording ng usapan labag sa anti-wiretapping law ayon sa Justice Department. At nakatutok si June Veneracion.
Humarap sa pagdinig ng Senado si Vice Admiral Alberto Carlos para bigyang linaw sa unang pagkakataon ang kontrobersyal na audio recording umano ng kanyang makikipag-usap sa isang Chinese embassy diplomat. Ang aligasyon ng Chinese embassy sa pag-uusap na yon, pumayag daw si Carlos sa isang new model para sa resupply mission sa West Philippine Sea.
There are stories about me making secret deals with China and their officials. These are completely false. I have not compromised the country's territorial integrity. I have not given up our sovereign rights and entitlement. I am a soldier for the Filipino, and I remain a loyal servant of the Republic.
Kwento ni Carlos, tinawagan siya noong Enero ng Chinese military attaché na si Senior Colonel Lee. Siya pa ang nagsisilbing hepe noon ng AFP Western Command. Pinag-usapan daw nila ang pagpapababa ng tensyon sa West Philippine Sea, lalo na tuwing merong rotation and resupply mission sa mga tropa ng Pilipinas sa BRP Sierra Madre sa Ayungin Shoal.
Indeed, I had a casual and informal telephone conversation with the Chinese military attaché in Manila. But I condemned the act of the Chinese embassy to record the conversation without my consent, much more to divulge it to the public with malicious twist and manipulation in order to appear that our discussion supported the corrosive narrative of PRC.
Okay, what is this that came out from the media that there was a new model?
We did not discuss the new model. We did not discuss the term common understanding, new model were not part of our conversation, Mr. Chair.
Ayon kay Carlos, humingi daw ng paumanhin sa kanya si Colonel Lee. Matatanda ang sa gitna ng kontrobersya. Natanggal si Carlos sa pwesto bilang Westcom Chief.
Masama loob mo kay dun sa military attaché ng China? Dahil
No, sir.
binulgar niya yung
No, sir. It's
conversation
part
niya.
of the game, Mr. Chair.
He apologized to you,
Yes, Mr. Chair.
but you did not reply.
I did not reply
So
anymore.
Nang tanungin kung ano ang mga detalye ng phone conversation na tumagal lang daw ng 3 hanggang 5 minuto, nakiusap si Vice Admiral Alberto Carlos ng executive session. Pumayag naman ang mga senador. Dahil sinabi ni Carlos na walang permiso ang pagre-record sa kanilang usapan ng Chinese diplomat. Sinabi ng Department of Justice na wiretapping ang nangyari.
We have a testimony now that we can use that indeed there was a call and it was recorded, so it can be considered as a violation of the anti-wiretapping law.
Ang nais ngayon ng Senador Francis Tolentino ay may managot dito.
Hindi kumilos ang DFA. Hindi pinatawag ang ambassador. Hindi nag-file ng diplomatic protest. Ang DFA may poder na mag-declare ng persona non grata. Hindi ko rin alam kung ano pa yung hinihintay natin dito.
The DFA would have to defer to the law enforcement agencies in looking into the reports of wiretapping.
Bagamat inimbitahan ng Senate Committee on National Defense and Security, hindi dumalo sa pagdinig si Chinese Ambassador Wang Zilian.
Was there any response coming from the Chinese embassy?
None as of the moment, Your Honor.
Hinihinga namin ng reaksyon ang Embahada ng China. Para sa GMA Integrated News, June Veneracion, nakatutok, 24 oras.